about my most memorable trip. I think many people have their memorable trips. Where did they go? How was it? I think my favorite trip was Japan trip. There are two personal reasons. First of all, I ate some delicious food. I ate some Japanese food. I ate takoyaki, okonomiyaki, and beef cutlet. It was very delicious. Also, my first trip was Japan trip, so it was the first time I ate foreign countries' food. That's my special experience. Besides that, I ate Japanese traditional ramen, udon, and some fried food. Additionally, I went to famous landmarks. I went to 3 cities in Japan: Osaka, Kyoto, and Tokyo. In Osaka, I went to Dotonbori. There were some running men in the signboard. It is called Glicoman. In Kyoto, I went to Kimizudera. In Korea, it is called Cheongsusa. It means a clear water temple. In Tokyo, I went to many places. I went to 2 cities in Tokyo, Shinjuku and Shibuya. I went to Shinjuku station. It was very big train subway station. However, Shibuya station is very big too. And I went to Shinjuku Gyoen. It was very beautiful with a large park. In Shibuya, I went to some Pokemon shop. I bought some cute Eevee. It was great shopping. In conclusion, I ate some delicious food and I went famous landmarks, so it was my favorite trip. So I think my favorite trip is Japan trip. Thank you for listening to my presentation.